Okay, and we're back. And we're set up for the next portion of this presentation, which is Poinsettia gumpaste flower. Now I'm going to show you 3 different ways to adhere your wire to a stem for your flower. So the first one that I was taught is twiddling. And I've got this covered up. What I've got here is my different cutters. And for the poinsettia, this flower is from Global Sugar Art. We've got 5 different pieces, and I'm just going to work with this one, and that one. I decided to go with 3 instead of all 5 of the petals. And I'm only going to show you one because I've got everything else ready made, but we'll work it up. Okay, and you can see the difference when it's gum paste, how dull it is. So we're going to show you dusting them and glazing it. All right, keeping that covered. Working on this sewing mat, which has been designated straight for cakes only. I'm going to roll this out. Cakes only, sugar art only. And I want this to adhere to my twiddling, which I'm going to do shortly. So I know it's sticking a little bit, but that's all right because I want it to go to the twiddling. There it goes, staying put now. Rolling this out. Getting it pretty thin. You can see this is non-stick. It doesn't want to stick. And I like it thin. Amanda's shown you how thin it's supposed to get. Oops. Got some green in there. Use your knife to pick that out. Smooth it out some more. Okay. Cut a little section of this off. Pick it up. We're going to let this sit and dry for a minute. And I got just a fingerful of ball. Amanda has shown you how to do twiddling. We learned this from Diane. Now the petal I want to show you is that one. And I'm going to set it like 3/4 of the way. I'm going to set my finger right here at the end of the cutter. Set this in here. Roll it around on it. Pinch. This is called twiddling. And it's learning the pressure and how to roll it where you want it and leave just a smidgen of that gum paste on here. See how I did that? We don't want this to dry out. So I'm going to stick this under there for this moment. I'm going to take my knife, lift this up, flip it over so I can get a smooth cut. One side's a little bit dry, so look how it slides. Okay? Take and put this on the side here. Take our twiddling, put it right here. Now I want it up a little bit. I don't want it quite down there. I want it up a little bit inside here. I'm setting it in the gouge or the veining area, setting this right on top. I'm going to set the vein, the stem, right here at the edge of that gum paste. I'm bringing this up to follow the line of the vein, the veiner. Tack it down a little bit. Now if I push too hard, it's going to go right through that wire. And these are really soft fingery veiners. These are from Avenue Sweet Choices, Diane Gruenberg. I know Amanda's talked about her and I've talked about her. She's a very dear friend of ours. One of the best teachers you can take gum paste flowers with. See how that looks? I'm going to give it a little bit more right there in the middle because I didn't see the veining I liked. There you go. Look at that. Lift this up so it comes up off. Now I like it to have a little bit more drama, so I'm going to pinch this around that twiddling that I did. It's called giving it some character and some life. Isn't that cool? but we'll just set it right here.